In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix PS4 lag on Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is start up Roblox, and then after that, you want to make sure you go to settings and then go all the way to devices, audio devices, and then make sure that these are matching on your headset, and then also toggle off the automatically connect to the device. So it's going to be tedious because you're going to have to make sure that these two match every time that you start your PlayStation, but it's really good because it lowers your input lag by a lot. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go to Bluetooth devices, and then you want to press the DualShock 4, then disconnect it, and then unplug your wire from your controller, and then plug it back in, and then you want to hold your PlayStation button so it reconnects, and this pretty much resets your controller system and it lowers the input lag as well. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to go to accessibility and then toggle the invert colors so it resets your graphics, the GPU on the PlayStation. And then you'll notice that when you're going through the menu, it just feels a lot smoother. And then next thing you want to do is you want to go to trophies and then press your options button on Roblox and then sync it to PlayStation Network so you can lower the lag even more. And then once you do all of these, it'll all combine to help reduce a lot of your lag on Roblox. And then once you go in the game, everything's gonna feel a lot smoother. So the next thing you wanna do is you wanna go to the internet browser, then you wanna close the window in here, and then you wanna clear out everything. So browsing history, make sure there's none, and go to settings, and delete the cookies, and clear website data. And then that will significantly reduce your lag. Also go to capture gallery, make sure there's no stuff in the background, and delete all the stuff in your capture gallery. Notifications, you want to make sure there's none on downloads, and press options, go on uploads, make sure there's none, and that'll also reduce your lag. Go to friends, clear out any friends you don't play with, and also, if there's any blocked players, press the option button to check, and make sure you unblock those blocked players, as your PlayStation has to memorize like which players that you have blocked, and it's just going to take up storage in the background, so that's not good. So just make sure you have everything cleared out, and then you should be good. And then once you go into your game, you'll feel that everything's a lot smoother. So yeah.